The drugs which are used to maintain electrolytic balance in kidney are known as antidiuretics. Lipresin. Lipresin. Formulations: lipresin injection. Brand _names: Petracin, Vasopin 20 IU/ml injection. Pharmacological _action: it is 8 lysine vasopressin. Though somewhat less potent than arginine vasopressin, it acts on both V1 and V2 receptors and has longer duration of action, 4 to 6 hours. It is used in place of V1 receptors mediated actions. Therapeutic _uses used as antidiuretics. Terlipressin. Terlipressin. Formulations: terlipressin injection. Brand _names: Glipressin, T-pressin, Terlinis. Pharmacological _action: this synthetic prodrug of vasopressin is specifically used for bleeding esophageal varices and appears to produce less severe adverse effects than lipresin. It's also longer acting. Dose 2 mg IV, repeat 1 से 2 mg every 4 से 6 HRS. As needed. Therapeutic _uses used as antidiuretics. Desmopressin. Desmopressin. Formulations: nasal spray, tablet, injection. Brand _names: Minerin, Devoid. Pharmacological _action: it is a selective V2 antagonist. 12 times more potent than AVP, but has negligible vasoconstrictor activity. It is also longer acting because enzymatic degradation is slow, T half 1 से 2 HRS. And the duration of action is 8 to 12 hours. It is the preparation of choice for all V2 receptors related indication. The intranasal route is preferred, though bioavailability is only 10 to 20%. An oral formulation has been marketed with a bioavailability of 1 to 2%. Oral dose is 10 to 15 times higher than the intranasal dose, but systematic effects are produced and nasal side effects are avoided. Many patients find oral tablet more convenient. Dose: intranasal. Adult 10 to 40 ug day in 2 to 3 divided doses. Children 5 to 10 ug at bedtime. Oral 0.10.2 mg/TDS. Parenteral 2 to 4 ug day in 2 to 3 divided doses. Therapeutic _uses used as antidiuretics. धन्यवाद. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में.